Welcome. Let's add your YouTube stream key to StreamPulse. First, in your StreamPulse panel, click on Stream Keys in the left menu. Then hit the Add Stream Key button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. In the platform drop-down, select YouTube. For the key name, you can enter anything you like. Pro tip: if you stream on multiple platforms, using a name that references your YouTube channel can be helpful later on. Once you've filled in the details, click the Submit button. Great! Your new key will now appear in the Stream Keys list. But we're not done yet. You'll see a red flashing Authenticate YouTube button next to your new key. Click on this button. A Google pop-up will open, asking for permission to allow StreamPulse to manage your YouTube live streams. Grant the necessary permissions and click Continue. And that's it. Your YouTube stream key is now added and authenticated in StreamPulse. You're all set to start streaming on YouTube.